Have you ever heard somebody say, no, they do gra gra, or you too they do gra gra? Gra gra is a popular Pidgin English word that means somebody who is very forceful, energetic, or somebody who is aggressive. So if somebody is trying to be aggressive with you, for example, you go to the store and you want to get something, and somebody is forcing his way trying to scatter the queue, you can say, "Oh, God, relax. You too they do gra gra." Or somebody is just acting very braggadocious that is going to beat somebody up. You say, "Oh, God, calm down. You do gra gra. You don't get power." So graga means being aggressive, being forceful, and being energetic. If you want to learn more Pidgin English words and phrases, make sure you like, follow the channel, and let me know what you want me to talk about. What other Pidgin English words should I talk about? Let me know in the comments. Like, follow, and share. See ya. Bye-bye.